Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a virtual tour on Virtualtour.city platform. So first of all, we go to login Virtualtour.city and then we click on login, and here we have an option to log in with our Google Plus account or with any other emails. So I click on Google Plus account here, I show my Google Gmail account and then click on allow. So here, firstly, to create our virtual tour, we go to leads and orders and we click on new order. In this windows we need to enter all the details of the business for which we want to make a virtual tour. In my case, I will create a virtual tour for a swimming pool in the city of Dudelange of Luxembourg. So I will write the name and address. We should here select city, so I will find Dudelange from the list. In the country, it is Luxembourg. If you can't find your country in the list, you just go down and click on other and you can select your country. So I will go to Luxembourg for now, and here we need to get the coordinates of the place. So you just, after entering the address, you can just click on get coordinates and the portal will automatically get the coordinates of the place. Now here is the price for which you sell this virtual tour to your client, and now we need to add the category for a swimming pool. So I will check which category is closest to our swimming pool. Now here we have a public swimming pool, and you need here to enter the email address of the business. So in my case it's info@lu, and if you have the VAT number of the business then you can enter it, but it is not compulsory. Here you will add the name of the contact person with whom you made the contract or with whom you got in touch to offer your tour. So I will just add Jacob, his phone number, on this part you can add your Google Plus account, Facebook page and their website. So I will skip Google Plus link and the Facebook as the client doesn't have them. I will just directly enter your website, and if you have any other notes to add for yourself you can just add here, and in this part you can add the business card of the contact person. And now when we fill all the fields here, and now we can just click on submit. So once we create the order, we automatically receive an email that your order was received on your email, and then we click on leads and orders to go back to dashboard. So when we are back in dashboard, we click on produce and publish. We click on business list. So here is the order that we just created. To create a virtual tour, first of all we need to upload the panoramas. To do that we click on the media library here, and on the top we have several tabs, and here just be sure that we are on the top of panoramas and click to add. Now you need to show the folder with the stitched panoramas. So here it is uploading. Once all panoramas are uploaded, We go to the tab of client gallery, and here we will add any pictures, any photos, and the logo of the business that we have. So I will add the logo and one picture from the business. It takes very short time to add them. So after adding the images, we need to go back to dashboard, and here we will click on 360-degree icon, and we will check the details of the business once again. And here on logo, we will select the logo that we just uploaded. And if you have another, like if you have an image that you want to patch the nadir of the panoramas, you can add it here. Or if you have a floor plan, you can here also add. At the same time, you can upload a 360 video as a hotspot, and in this part you can add information about business in 5 languages. So for now I will just add some dummy text here. And if the business has booking URL, reservation URL, and shop URL, you can add them here. So once complete, we go to order panoramas, and here we will order the panoramas that we just uploaded. So in my case, they are all ordered well, but if you want, you can just by a drag and drop, you can replace them and order in one sequence. So after ordering panoramas, we go to edit hotspots here, and the first thing here that we will do is to define the starting point for each panorama. So you just pull this black square and show the starting point. So I'm showing for each panorama the starting point, and this will be for this one. And after we define the starting point, our next step will be adding name for each panorama. So this will be entrance, and for the second one will be the reception. Third one is hallway. Fourth one is hallway 2, and the last one is swimming pool itself. So indoor swimming pool. So once we added the names for each panoramas, we go on with adding navigation between the panoramas. So on Virtualtour.city platform, the navigation is called spots. So now we go and add the spots for the first panorama. So here on the top left, you can find the number 1 that just appeared. So you just drag it and put on the place where you want to navigate. So here there will be a navigation, and this navigation will go to panorama number 2, to this panorama. And you can also create a special view for this spot by clicking here. So the target view, as it is called. So I will just select it, and it will start, for example, here. This will be the view for this spot. And again, for the second panorama, we create another spot and we edit inside here, and this will go to panorama number 3. And again, we click here and we will put the target view here for the panorama number 3. I click on spot and I show it here, and this one goes to the panorama number 4. And for panorama number 4, I add spot. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add the target view here. It will be somewhere here again. And for panorama number 4, I added, and it will go to panorama number 5. And if we add the view, it will just, let's show this way as a starting point for this one, for this spot. And for going back again, you can create just spots. For example, for this one, we create to panorama number 4 again and show it here, so you can use it for all the panoramas. Once we added the spots or navigations between each panoramas, we go down here and click on Build Tour. Now our tour is ready to view. You can view it here on View Tour, or you can just go on your dashboard, refresh this page, and here you can see it. On the view, you have two views of the tour. So I click on this one first. So here you can see it, our tour is ready, and we have the panoramas down here in the menu, or you can just navigate through the spots that we just placed. So I will finish this tutorial video here, and if you want to learn more on how to add hotspots and floor plan and all other kind of media content to the tour, please watch our next video. Thank you.